for natural gas. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We remain in positive MACD, but appears to be approaching to negative MACD territory, and we're approaching back to overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4-hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, and we're seeing signs of a diverge. We're at overbought levels with the RSI, and we did bounce right off the 9 moving average, this blue line, currently at a price of $3.29. With the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and at overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $10.98, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $11.91, and my stop loss is at $10.63. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $12.10. My sell target is at $11.35, and my stop loss is at $12.29. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 5%, another 33% chance to climb between 5 to 10%. To the downside, it has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.